Jay. Hold on, hold on. You're not touching your net anymore. All right, sir. You can't touch your net.
Some of the bait.
You need the net?
Do you think that's the reason? No, that couldn't be. It looks like it's keeper.
I already took care of it. I don't do that.
You want 100. You want to pay 100.
Oh. Okay? I'll pay for it. Under, yes, under.
Throw 'em back nice.
Hook 'em up on my drum. Yeah, I'm really into the first one. That first shoe, I know, I think they're on the right of you.
No, you don't put them in the water.
Show it to the camera. Well, the camera's gonna stay on. Camera's on.
Anyone hang out with them? Talk to them? Leon, which one?
Why would you want to go sleep alone at his house? You know what it costs to heat that house up?
What costs a ton? You gotta break.
I never went there.
It's beautiful. Let's go back up. It's all lonely. I'll do it. Guys, always telling me something. This is between you and your family. It's different. There was something that happened. Do not let that happen. It's wrong. Look. Hey. What Hamid did with Kelly. So fucking wrong. You know? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He got fed up with Messi, and he wanted to go into business with Kelly. What the fuck is Kelly? You know, son, you know Kelly's not a liked person.
Yeah, I know.
You know, I don't.
I got it.
Me, Kelly, and Nakan great with me. I don't know how many did some fucked up shit with them.
They're gonna shoot that 6, the 8, the 2 8s, and the spike. Oh my god! He slammed it.
Nice one.
Ooh.
One up twice.
Either you slammed
That
it,
was worth the trip.
either you slammed it or he slammed you.
Off the hook. Wow.
Did you see it? Did you see him at the hook?
While you're sweating it, it pulled you down. It's either you slammed it or he slammed you.